Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to solve or fix Facebook login edit problem on your computer when you try to log in from a different location, device or browser. You need to choose second option, and it is the first option to recover your account, and you provide the email you registered with your Facebook account. Select one and choose continue, and you will receive a code in your email address. Copy from here and paste here, and copy here and paste here and choose continue. So that is all. So you this way recovered your account, and your problem approval needed problem will be solved. Please subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching the video.